Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we show you how to embed your form into Squarespace. Whether you're adding a contact form, a survey registration form, or a lead capture form, this tutorial will help you integrate it easily into your website. On your Squarespace dashboard, all we need to do is go to this section so we can embed your form. This is where we will be placing the embed code. From here, we just need to click on Pages. Once we're in Pages, all we have to do is hover over this Custom Code option. Down in the lower left part of the dashboard, right here, we just need to click Code Injection. This is the section where we will be placing our embed code. To get the embed code, we can use a tool like ChatGPT to generate one. Or if we already have a code, all we need to do is copy it and paste it into the header field. Then we just right-click and select Paste. Once that's done, we just need to click Save. And there it is, our Contact Us form embedded on Squarespace. Now that we've added the embed code and placed the form on the page, all we need to do is click Save to see it live. We can then test it to make sure everything is working. Go ahead and click to check that it's working. As we can see, it's working perfectly. Our form is now live on the Squarespace site. We've successfully embedded the form into Squarespace.